Hi everyone, it's Rachel here. I'm just here with a quick flip through of the journal that I just finished. This is another antique book. I really love this here, so I left that. I put the spine is parchment and it's got a marbled cover, but I put some of my favorite lace there, some old book page and paper, and then I did a little bit of a different cover to what I normally do. This one has the decorated envelope with a tag or journaling card inside, and it's made on a vintage postcard. And the one side was just all written with pencil scribble sort of thing, so I left that side. So that goes in the envelope there. And then this is from my kit, and I put keepsake on there and a little bit of textile. I don't know if you can see that. And then the back's got a collage of papers. So that's what's on the cover. Just something different today. And then inside, it's got a hidden spine. I put in a decoupage envelope with a tag behind, or a journaling card, and it's just a public domain image of a Italian drawing, stamperia paper, and then little frame sort of pocket there, and then one of my tags, beautiful Steffi, we'll call it Steffi Designs paper there, and then this double window here, absolutely love that, that's a graphics fairy frame. And I folded it over and made it a pocket, and it's lined with straw paper. Coffee dyed doily, original book page, one of the tags I made in the challenge, and then a pocket here. Just some more public domain images, and then just some recycled paper. Then a pocket here with Tim Holtz paper, and then just a a journaling card. And then another window pocket with one of my tags in it. And the window pocket, all those things come from the Graphics Fairy. This is the other side of Steffi's paper. Then this is a pocket that I made, and then just one of my antique photographs with some scanned antique letter on the back. And then a collaged pocket here, and a little journaling card that I made. Some medieval mirage and scanned coffee dyed paper. Public domain, this is a belly band that I made, and I think I did the napkin part on the video, but then I hadn't decorated it, so I decorated it with some cut out sort of plants and a butterfly. And then this is the journaling card that I made yesterday. This is an Edith Holden page. Here, recycled paper, the original book page. Oh, now just a minute, because I need to put that in. I've got to find it. Just a second. The books from the early 18. Here you go. This is these pages need to be tucked in. 1843. No, 1848. That's when I need to put those in the book, because they came out separately. So I want to put those in the book as well. I'll do that. So that's a good thing I remembered that. So this is another one of Steffi's designs, and then a tag made from my Elements kit with antique letter. And what I'll do is I'll just fold that and slip that in behind, and then I'll put the other one in the pocket in the first signature. I think we're into the second signature now. And let me see what I've done here. Another, this is a tag with a Graphics Fairy pocket, and I've just put one of my tags in there, but you could put a little photograph in there if you wanted to. And I didn't put anything behind. I'll put that behind. No, I'm going to put that in the other pocket. I didn't put anything behind just because it was it's very bulky. And then here is one of the Graphics Fairy frames, and I've put two tags in there, but obviously someone could put two photographs in there if they wanted to, which I thought was a fun idea. Then a altered glassine bag and a tag. And then the last signature, I made this pocket here with a journaling card. some more Medieval Mirage. This is the belly band with journaling card that I made the other day. Yesterday, I think it was. And then that's one of Steffi's papers again. Another tag with the little window pocket and just a little tag there that I made. And you can tuck something behind as well. Another doily. Another pocket folded over here with one of my tags, the Rialto Bridge. Love this journal. And then this is the, I made this a flip. I think I did this in the video. That's a graphics fairy and then little birdie tag there. So obviously you could put a photograph in there as well. And then that's the Medieval Mirage. And then another pocket here. This is one of those lovely little thingies that I have that I like, that I scanned. I've got the original. And then another big pocket here. And I put one of my photographs in there and I tore all around it. So it's like a journal. That's super old book page. That was in the cover of a book that I altered. And so that, I mean, it's even pretty without it. So that slips in there. Having a lot of fun with these frames. And then just an altered glassine bag with a tag in there. So that's the journal. I'm going to let the next person on my list know that this is available if she wants it. And if she doesn't want it, it's not what she was hoping for, then it will be offered to the next person. No, not the next person, the person after that, because the next person had more specific details. So, yeah. So, yes, so that I'll be, if nobody wants it, then I'll put it in my shop. But yeah, I'm still working through my list. So that is the journal. I just wanted to show you that. It's chunky monkey as usual. I try my best not to, but I can't help myself. I'm actually going to tie some sari silk around it as well, because I thought that would be a nice effect with the colours. I've got a cream sari silk. Where is it? This one, I think. Yes. I'm going to tie this one around. I think that'll be beautiful. And I'll probably wrap it around twice. I might as well do it now, like this. That's how it's going to come with the sari silk, and then tie a bow, and that just holds everything in place. And of course it's removable. It's not scented properly. I might just trim that little bit off. I can keep that. I can use that. There we go. So that's going to be the journal. Very pretty. Anyway, so thank you for watching. I hope everybody is well, and I will see you soon. Bye.